Welcome to Membership Websites. Today we're going to look at how to edit the member login form. So if we click on member login, quite often we get asked how to edit these two boxes here. What happens is sometimes people make the mistake of going into Toolbox and Form Manager, because what it's actually showing you is it's showing you a form. And in some degree, they are correct in terms of the login form is in here. And we can go into that form and have a look. So we can see the form here and the details that make up this form. But these sections are located somewhere else in the site. So what we need to do instead is go into Toolbox Menu Manager. And then we'll go down to the login page sign up buttons, and we can customize this. And we can see the fields just here. So these are the two buttons, these are details of the two buttons. Not a registered user, create a free user account. So let's change this. We'll change it to currently not signed up. So currently not signed up. Create a free user account. Let's save that. And we can see that it says not a registered user here. And that should hopefully change to currently not signed up. There we go. If we go back into this menu, sometimes, again, a question that's asked is, what if we don't want both of these buttons to appear? What if you just want one of them to appear? So maybe if you're just appealing to businesses and you don't require user accounts maybe on your site. So what we could do is we could go to the currently not signed up user account and we can delete this item. So if we click yes and then save, when we go back to the member login page and refresh, we can see now we've just got one button. So how do we make that central? We go back to the menu manager and login page sign up buttons, click on the cogwheel, and we can see in the outer class we've got col XS is 12, col XM is 12, and col MD is 6. So we're going to change 6 to 12. We're going to save that, go back to the login menu, refresh, and there we go. We've now got that full length of the form, so it just looks a wee bit more tidier. That is how you edit the login menu. I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching.